Brenspeed TV. Today, and again, one of my favorite cars, the GT350 Whipple Supercharged. You know I love them. And hey, if you haven't, please subscribe, hit notify, stay up to date on a lot of different Mustang and F-150 videos, maybe some other videos. And if you like the GT350s, at the end, I'll put a link to a lot more that I've done. But what we have today is a 12,000 mile 2018 GT350 Whipple Supercharged. We're gonna go take a look at the engine compartment. I'll tell you a little bit more about it, but that's about it. We did some cooling mods, a couple other things I will tell you about, but pretty much besides that, the car is stock. We're gonna make a dyno pull, see what it makes. Let's go check it out. All right, so here's what we have going today. Like I said, 18 GT350 running 93 octane fuel, Whipple calibration. So you're gonna get to see, when you put one of these kits on, exactly what the car makes. And this kit is designed for 91 or higher octane. We're lucky enough here in Indiana, we're at 93. Doug's with me, come down and take a look at the engine compartment. Here we have the Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger, complete intercool kit. We are running an oversized heat exchanger, but this kit comes with your fuel injectors, everything you need to make really good power. You're gonna see in a minute what it makes. But we also love doing cooling mods. So you have our big Aller radiator, okay? All the cooling mods on this car, I will have a link in the description of those mods, as well as everything we're talking a bit about right now, as well as we did install billet oil pump gears, because we like to have that protection. Besides that, the car is stock. So we have no suspension, no exhaust. We have no aluminum drive shaft. This is like basically your starter package, all right? Whipple Supercharger, cooling mods, billet oil pump gears. I'm gonna make a couple back-to-back dyno pulls so you can see what it makes. Let's go. Look at the numbers, don't forget 93 octane, not 91, although you can run that. And this is the Whipple calibration. And if you wonder what it costs to get installed, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com, or you just want to look at the parts, have them shipped to you, check out brenspeed.com. In that description in the video, I'm going to have links to all that. Make it easy on you. Here we are, rear wheel horse, Dynojet SAE, 756 on the first pull, backed it up with 750, just under 8,000. Torque comes in at 570, 584. Awesome torque, awesome horsepower on a car that just has a supercharger, cooling mods, oil pump gears, everything also stock, 12,000 miles. So you might have some questions about this. Please leave a comment, happy to answer. And again, please subscribe and notify. Stay up to date on all the videos I'm going to release. Thank you so much for watching.